What's up, everybody? Jaquez here, and today I made it simple. Just here in my webcam, and I'm gonna share with you guys three tool tips that are gonna make your Builderall life a lot easier. So stay tuned. Cue intro. Oh, no intro. What happened? Well, we're working on a new intro. I guess it's not done yet. And the reason being, because of you guys. Thanks to you guys, I got feedback. The intro was a little bit too long. As well, there were some spelling errors. So, yeah, back to the drawing board for a shorter, better spelling intro. So, first tip I'm going to give you guys. Well, let's work our way down. Tip number 3 I'm going to give you guys is for mailing boss. So when you go to your mailing box and you're creating a new list, let's say I'm gonna create a list, testing list, and testing list, right? I'm creating a new list. Next, double opt-in. You guys always want to do double opt-in, okay? Make sure you do that. That way your emails always deliver. Now, normally for us online marketers, we always want to capture the name. Right, so we definitely want to put name first, right? If you want to capture the last name, usually people put their first name and last name most of the time, unless you actually specify first name, last name. But for training purposes, just first name we're going to ask. And people either way, they put it anyways. But as you can see right here, we have email, sort order. Now, sort order is on your form. You're going to have according to this email, and whatever comes next, in this case would be first name, is going to come second. So here's a little tip and trick for you guys. When you're creating your email list and you want your email to be maybe like the second thing or the third thing, or right here, let's make it the second thing. And maybe you want to put another drop down. You can put it and you'll add it there and you sort it out. And when you press save, and let's just fast forward this, next. All right, so you see here in the fields, now we have first name, then we have email, which we put second. We could have put number 1, but you know, maybe I wanted to put last name as number 1. But as you can see right here, right, we have first name first and then email second. So now when you go on your Builderall and you put your email like this right here, right, your email form, when you connect it automatically, I'm not going to show it because it's already connected, but it'll have the first name and email. Okay, so that's tip number 3. Now let's go to tip number 2 I'm going to give you guys. So number 2 is your shared image. Now you guys know when you go to Facebook or any social media, when you share a link, usually you see an image. Well, not an image, sorry. When you share a link, usually it comes with an image attached, right? The shareable image, so people can see what that might be. So I'm going to press enter. Let's see if it's correct. Let's refresh. Okay. Simplest. Now if I press enter, there you go. So that shared image, it's crucial and it's important. I think on any website that you guys should always have a shared image. Now where do you add that? Well, it's simple. So when you go to your tools right here, press the little gear, and as you can see for this one, I have this right here. So it says share image. So I will upload it. I'll pick my share image, select it, and confirm. Now the next thing you want to know is what's the image size. So Facebook is usually updating. So what I like to do is go to Google and type in Facebook share image size. and I usually get it right here. And so far, it's been this one for a couple of years now, but before it was different. So 1,200, right? So 1,200 by 630. So when you're creating your images, make sure you guys have that specific size. Now the next thing that I'm gonna share, it's I guess 2.1, is when you're sharing images and let's say you updated it, Facebook is not gonna share that new updated image that you just created because it caches and it keeps in its history your old share image. And the way that you can change that is by forcing Facebook to look at your new image. So the way you do that, I'm gonna display right here what's the link to do that. Okay, so the link to do that is developers.facebook.com /tools/debug. So if I were to put, let me do this, and I debug it, it will search, and it says 19 hours ago. Now if I scrape it again, let's see. This is wrong. I changed this because it hasn't updated yet because I just recently did it. Yeah. Make sure I actually do. So you can see it sometimes takes a little bit just to be sure that you did update it in Builderall. Let me check my other ones. Okay, so it is saved. Maybe I didn't press save. Confirm. Alright. This is 6 seconds ago. So it might or might not get it. Oh, there you go. Awesome. So you can see now, look, it happened live. Okay. Now it has the right shared image that I created for this. Okay. And also you see the details there, which you guys should all know that as well. It's in the same place right here. All the detailed description that's going to show when you post the link online. Okay. So that's tip number 2 and 2.1. Now, tip number 1. Now, this one I'm pretty sure. Oh, no, I'm not going to say pretty sure because it's been a while and I haven't shared tips and tricks with you guys. But I'm going to show you this because I don't know. I know when I started, not everybody knew this. But let me show you guys something. So, let's say this video, I want to have it on my next page. Now, you can't just right-click copy, right? There's no right-click copy. And you could copy and paste, but you can't put it on the next page that you have over here. So what you could do, there's a little trick, is you put it on the footer or header, doesn't matter. And let's say now you go to the next page, which is confirm email. And since you're on the same layout, this video stays throughout all the pages within that layout. So I can drag it out. And now I have this video right here. Because let's say I wanted to have that same video. Or whatever you want. It doesn't have to be a video. It could be text. Okay. That's tip number 1. But like I said, most of you guys probably know this little trick already. But here's another one that maybe you don't know. How about if you have another layout? So I have another layout right here. Not a page, a layout. It's completely separate. So the footers are different. Everything's completely different. And I wanted to have that same video. Let's go back over here. Well, I'm just going to copy it. So I'm going to copy it. And I want to have this same video or button or text, whatever it is. I want to have it in my new layout that I just created. How can I do that? Well, if you open this up right here, click on pop-up, and as you see, I usually have this. I make a little pop-up, I call it transfer stuff. So I show it. And then I grab whatever content I need. Okay. And this could be whatever size you want. It doesn't matter. I'm just moving it around. So let's say I wanted this also. I'll put it in there. And now let's go to my other layout. Get ready for this moment of truth. Open this up. Okay. And now I have just transferred from one layout to another. Bam. I don't know if you guys knew that. If you did, do me an awesome favor. Comment. Say like, yeah, Gene, I've been knowing that, man. Like, it's been years. Where have you been? Well, I haven't been teaching much. But that's good that you guys know. If you do know, comment below. If you didn't know, definitely give this a thumbs up. Like it, right? Press that like button. And let me know. Tell me, hey, Gene, I didn't know. Thank you for sharing. And also share with your teams. You know, they might not know this, okay? All right, guys, I hope these tips were awesome, were cool. Drop a comment. Show me that it was good. And like I said, if you didn't know, let me know either way. Comment and press that like button. All right, guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.